I was uploading a video to YouTube and it took me over 3 hours. Unfortunately, I have missed my best engagement window just because the file size was massive 3 GB. Sound relatable? So don't worry. I have found a solution with Wondershare UniConverter. You can compress your videos without losing the quality with the help of AI technology. It's a game changer for creators who value their time and audience. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, open Wondershare UniConverter software, then head over to the compressor feature to import the files you want to compress or reduce in size. As you can see, this file is 2.4 GB. Our file format is MOV and 2.4 GB is quite large according to the duration. On the right side, it's showing an estimate compressed size around 1.6 GB. Now let's click on the resize menu. You will see two options, basic compression and AI compression. With basic compression, you can manually reduce the quality percentage using the toggle bar. For example, 70% is usually fine to compress without losing too much quality. Lowering the percentage further will reduce the file size even more. As you can see, it's now down to 1 GB. You can also change the file format if needed. Just click on this option and you can select your desired file format. In AI compression, you will not see the estimated file size because the AI model can't predict it, but it usually gives the best results in the smallest size. So we will try this one. Just select the format you want and hit OK to proceed. Before compressing, make sure to enable the high speed performance option for a faster process. Then hit the compress button. After compression, as you can see, the file size is 188 MB, which is mind blowing. You can also import multiple files and use the batch process feature to compress them all at once by adjusting the quality settings and format in bulk. All your files will be exported in less than 5 minutes and it's an amazing feature. So now let's check our exported video. So as you can see, the results are incredible. The quality compared to the file size is unbelievable. If you are struggling with storage, time-consuming uploads or large file issues, you must try Wondershare UniConverter, link in my description.